Let's start by defining skew lines. Skew lines are lines that are not coplanar. It's coplanar with ER or AR. Do y'all remember?
I think it's A.
Is it AR?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get it together.
Yes.
There's two conditions. Skew lines are not parallel, and skew lines do not touch each other, meaning intersect. Someone's talking over me. So I'm going to model that with for you up here. Are we all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these two lines are what to each other? Parallel. And if I tweak it, that's skew. Okay? So I'm going to model the first one on letter A. If you have a highlighter, that will be nice. So I'm going to highlight AD and then highlight BC. These two are what to each other? Parallel. So I want you with the partner to go over B to H. Go. Use the image above.
Because they're not parallel. They only have to be going the same. BC and CG. They intersect. What does that mean? They're planes. Ah, oh my god, they're planes. CG. Oh, is that coplanar? Coplanar. 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 Plane A, B, C, D, A, and plane
But they touch.
E, F, C. Oh no, E, F, G.
Yeah, you're copying.
A, D, and
Don't stop. Let me do it. Let me figure it out. B, F.
oh yeah, I was gonna say
All right, 30 more seconds.
No, A, B, and B, F.
It doesn't matter.
I'm there.
BC and are perpendicular. What is perpendicular? I mean, it's
No, they're like. I forgot what it means. Maybe they intersect.
oh, it's so CG.
No, it's.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's.
No, that's parallel.
Wait, DC.
E.
DH.
No, it's not.
Why not?
Because that's well.
Those two.
Yeah, they both.
Whatever.
All right, when I call on you, I want you to give me the answer. Sutton, E, F, and D, H, R. Skew. Okay, Charlie, what about B, C, and C, G? Very good. Okay, Katie, what about plane A, B, C, and plane blank are parallel? E?
E, F, G.
Very good. Does that mean you have to use these specific three letters? Use any three. All right. Aubrey, what about E? A, D, N, blank are skew.
B, F.
So here's AD, and you gave me BF? Does that mean that is the only one? No, if you have a different one, do not erase it. Okay, Jackie, AEN, blank are parallel. BF? Mm-hmm. And again, that's not the only one. Okay, Luke, DC and blank are perpendicular.
CG.
So DC and CG, good. Again, is that the only one? No, so do not erase. And our last one. Brian, EF and DCR.
Parallel.
Is that right? Parallel? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go on to the back. This right here is very important. Make sure you know how to spell corresponding, alternate interior, exterior, same side interior. And when you say alternate interior, please do not say opposite interior. So let's go ahead and highlight them. We have, make sure you know how to spell corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior. And I'm going to give you another word that means same side interior. And then I'm also going to highlight the word transversal. Instead of defining this word, I'm just going to show you what that is. It is a line that passes through two lines. So line T is passing through R and S, so therefore line T is our transversal. So if you want to draw the arrow and say, hey, here I am. Okay, I am going to give you what pairs of angles are corresponding, and then I want you to define in your own words what they are. So, name all pairs of corresponding angles. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. Is that the only corresponding? Could I also say angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding? Okay. Angle 3 and angle 7. Someone give me another one then. Angle 4 and 8. Very good. So kind of look at the pattern of them. And there should be one more. Angle 2 and angle 6. Okay, go ahead and define the definition of corresponding on the side. And I'm just going to have y'all read it, but I'm not going to write the definition, okay? But you should have more notes than I do. And it's okay if the definition is not perfect. Make sure you understand your own definition. Okay, Rex. How did you define corresponding?
Well, I just wrote corresponding angles to help you.
Corresponding angles are corresponding angles. That is true. The way I see it is, when I slide 1 down, it's in the same position, right? If I slide 2 down, it's in the same position. Yeah? Okay? Let's go on to the next one. Alternate interior. I'm going to give you one of them. When something is in the interior, I'm hiding this guy right here, and I'm also hiding this guy. It has to be in the inside of those 2 lines. So how many angles am I looking at? 4 of them. So I'll give you one. Angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior. So should I have one more? What and what? Angle 4 and angle 5. And they're alternating because it's jumping from one side of the transversal to the other. Yes? Go ahead and make your definition. If you want to say it jumps over the transversal, that works too. Okay, Isaac, let's read your definition.
Jumping from one side of the line to another.
Very good.
Inside part.
In the inside part, correct. So then alternate exterior. I'm gonna say angle 1 and angle 8 because exterior means on the outside. So I'm only looking at 1, 2, and 7 and 8. So let's write angle 1 and angle 8. Should I have one more? Angle 2 and angle 7. So can you mimic the definition, borrowing it from alternate interior, but changing up maybe one word? Go for it. All right, Megan, give me your definition.
Flipping from one transversal to the other on exterior.
On the outside, very good, very good. And then we have something called same side interior. So same side interior, that means I am not using angle 1 and 2. I'm also not using 7 and 8, correct? If it's on the same side, am I going to jump from one transversal? So that means I have angle 3 and 5. Should I have one more? Which one? Angle 4 and 6. And I'm going to give you another word that you might see. Same side interior is also called consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles. So if you see me use that alternating between these two on the quiz or test, do not be surprised. So we should highlight that too, right? Okay, let's define same side interior in your own words. You could say does not jump over the transversal. Okay, Sophia, let's share your definition.
Same side, don't cross line
Mhm.
inside.
Perfect. Okay, very good. Okay, I'm gonna model the first one and let's see if I like the way I've worded. Yeah. For all the angles below, I want you to tell me what is my transversal and then what is the name of the angle. So my transversal will be either A, because isn't A going through two lines? It's either B or C. Let's write A, B, or C. Let's put a big star on this one. Big, 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 big star. So I'm gonna model the first one. 2 and 7, I want you to point to 2 and 7. And where you're pointing, I want you to put a dot at the intersection. And connect them. Whatever you connect, that is gonna be your transversal at all times. So let's write on this one. Transversal is C. So we have angle 2 and 7. I'm going to kind of put a curve to it. Is 2 and 7 in the inside or the outside? It is in the inside. Is it alternating or not alternating? So we know this is alternate interior angles. Okay, with the partner, let's go ahead and finish B and C. Go. Okay. We're all talking. To your neighbor.
What?
So 8 and 12, they're transversal.
I know, what's that supposed
Easily.
Same side. Oh.
Same size.
Yeah.
I think we probably do same side interior.
Same side. Or interior or exterior?
No, I mean
Oh,
like,
there's no-
you
there's
can't,
no-
I feel like interior.
I wanna play with it.
All right. 8 and 12, did y'all get transversal as B and their corresponding angles? For the next one, 3 and 9 has transversal A, and they're called same side interior. Okay?